Hello, Larry here from PriceIt Software. We have a new development that I wanted to show you guys, and something Ron just cooked up in collaboration with one of our customers. Thank you very much for the person that suggested this to us. Who was that, Ron?
It was Jennifer from Logo.
It was Jennifer from Logo It Now. Thank you for the suggestion. So what this does is many of you have obviously have embroidery machines. Some of the new embroidery machines come with the ability to connect a scanning gun to it and then pull up the artwork that's associated with that job. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm logged into our development file here in PriceIt Software. I'm going to click on the shortcuts button right here. Then I'm going to come down to embroidery work order. Now, of course, we have our thread count here, or excuse me, our thread colors here. And what we want to do now is we want to come down to where it says print extended thread colors. What that does is give us a longer list of colors, thread colors. But what it also does is provide this particular barcode. So you would do is you would print this off, and once you've done printing it, your embroiderer will just scan this barcode. And then what it does is it reaches out to a file that's on your network and it grabs that art file. And what it does is it's looking for a specific art file name. So it's going to be looking for this. It's going to pass that information over to the software on the embroidery machine. And then it's going to retrieve that artwork for them and load it into the machine so that you don't have to do it with floppy disk or thumb drive or all that kind of stuff that you normally do now. Also, if you mouse over this button here, this gives you the specifications. So it says here, your barcode scanner will need to be able to read the PDF 417 barcode. So that's what you're looking for when you're purchasing scanning guns to make this work. Hope this helps you guys out. Let us know what you think. Number here is 802-257-5188. Also, you can reach us at info@pricitsoftware.com. And again, as always, thank you so much for being our customer. We look forward to continuing to serve you. Take care.